Okay, class. Okay, can we continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, next one. Share this one again. Share this one, and then I will share Inventor. Okay, next one. We will try to create this part. Okay, so please have a good look on the drawing. Maybe you want to screenshots or use a camera to take a picture so that it will be easier for you to refer later for the dimension, of course. Okay, so this drawing, it will involve more than one work plane itself, more than one work plane. Okay, we cannot create these parts using only one work plane as the previous exercise. So please have a good look on the drawing itself. So once you are given a drawing, it's best you try to digest the drawings. Okay, so and then try to simulate out how you should actually create it. Okay, don't just, oh sir, this is very easy. Straight away you do it already. Okay, try to digest it, digest the information, have a good look, where should you start. Okay, so I think we can get this one done in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I have the confidence of that. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes,
So
sir.
what kind of we using matrix art?
So please have a good look on the dimension. Dimension is relatively small, right?
That's why I'm confusing.
That's why you need to digest out. As I say, you need to open up the correct parts file. So since this one is relatively small, you see, okay, 2.375, 1.125. So we will opt for English. English, the parts file should be opened up in English form. Okay, English. So I will go back. Never mind, we will do it together. Go to new. So now is no more matrix, no more matrix. Please go to English and select standard inch.ipt. Don't go to selection method. Please open up the correct parts file or else you will get the wrong iProperties letter. Okay, so class, all of you, please go to new, open up a new parts file, English standard inch, still in parts, then go create. So basically nothing, the interface will be the same. Only later you will see go the property, you will see a different mess. Okay. So as usual, we are going to start 2D sketch. Okay. Start on 2D sketch. Okay, so if you look at here, our drawing here, our first sketch will be these rectangles. It's very straightforward. We are going to create this rectangle as our first sketch. Then our second sketch will be based on this particular profile. These two rectangles over here. Okay, so it's not that hard. So first one, I would like you to go to rectangle. You will see the unit now. The unit here, pay attention, it will be inch, right? If you will open up the correct files. It shouldn't be inch. Please create one rectangles and then very direct, go to dimension and provide 2.375. Okay, and last and for all, this one is 1.75. So please go to create rectangles with the dimensions of 2.375 times with 1.75. So if you open up the correct files, then you're supposed to have inch rather than metrics. It will be in millimeters. So this one will be in inch.
Sir,
Yeah,
what file should I open? English standard? is it?
English. Yeah, English standards.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Okay, so it's this rectangle. This rectangle is the one that we have just created the sketch on. Okay, 2.375 times 1.75 here. Okay, so once we finish with this, providing the dimensions of this rectangle, just go finish sketch. So this one will be similar like the previous. Now go to extrude. So you see the distance will be inch. So according to the drawing given to you, the distance here will be maybe this, right? 0.375. So please key in the distance here. You extrude to 0.375. Right? Okay, extrude the profile to be at the distance of 0.375 here. Then click OK. So again, please navigate with your view here. Okay, navigate using view cubes or the orbits here. Okay. So ensure that you have this isometric view so that you have a similar perspective. Similar perspectives as have been given in your drawing. I'd like you to switch your view, rotate your view, please, to have this isometric view. So you ensure yes.
Change to isometric view.
Yes.
How I want to change to isometric view.
Yeah, from the view cube. Or you can go navigator bar here, orbit, turn. You can turn like this. Or from the view cube. Okay, you try out from the orbit here, orbit. If orbit, you will have this particular F4. F4, you can try on F4, press on F4, then you can turn. Click, and then you can turn your view. Okay, any problem?
Sir,
Yeah.
after we extrude the 2D, how long is the extrude distance?
Extrude is 0.
Is it 0. Again,
375.
yes.
Okay, distance will be 0.375, extrude. Okay, I would like you to navigate with your view. As I say in Inventor, it's very important for you to know how to navigate well with your view. So there are various ways. One is using your view cube here on your right hand side corner, view cube. View cube, turn around. Okay. Another way will be to use your navigator bar here, orbit. Constraint orbit or orbit also no problem. Or if you have orbit, you have this thing here, you see? Then you can turn around, okay, that particular or the view that you intend to have. Okay,
So I have a question.
yeah, sure.
Let's say if I want to start the sketch with XY plane, that means after that I don't have to use the view cube to change the angle view.
Yeah, no problem on that.
Oh, okay.
So if you already select the default plan just now, certain plan, then coincidentally you have that view already. So no need for you to do any navigations of the view. So no problem on that. Okay, so the next sketch, this one we need to have second sketch compared to the previous exercise. So we should try to create this profile with two rectangles here, you see? These two profiles. So the important thing will be you need to define which surface as your work plane. Okay, you need to select one surface to create that particular sketch as your work plane. So you return back to the inventor now. So now you have to ensure that you have this isometric view now. So we are going to select this surface here, the one behind here. Here. Okay, this here to create our sketch. Okay, so that it will look similar to like your drawing. Okay, we don't select the one here, or else you need to turn around again. So it's up to you. You need to select the right particular surface. So what you can do here now is, okay, we go to start to this sketch. Start to this sketch. Okay, please turn around, rotate your view so that you can sketch on this particular surface. You can sketch on this surface. So 2D, normal default work plane, you see. Second, third, fourth sketch. You don't have the default work plane anymore. You need to define, click on the surface to actually select them as your work plane. So I would like you to select this one as my work plane. Click. You should have like this. Okay. So if this doesn't start from the origin, it's floating here, never mind, no problem. Because the important one is to select the right surface. Okay, in 3D will be like this. This surface here. Okay, so better I show to you in 2D. So I just turn my rotate from the view cube. Okay, I would like you to create, please listen properly. I would like you to create here a rectangle starting point from this endpoint here. You must start your rectangle first point, first corner from this endpoint. That's the important things here. Click here once, and then how big is it? It doesn't matter. Okay, so I would like you to create one here. And then also another two-point rectangle. Similarly, first corner start from this endpoint. Step to endpoint here. This. Two rectangles. Two rectangles. The only concern here will be the first corner. First corner should snap to the endpoint of this edge. Endpoint. The second point doesn't matter because later we are going to provide the dimension. So in 3D wise, I would like to show to you it should look like this. In the 3 dimension, okay, I rotate. Firstly,
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
yeah, where are you actually? Are you able to select the correct work plane?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, correct work plane already. Okay, you will see, I will show to you. You see, I would like to have this particular feature here. Secondary feature will be this one. So you have to ensure you select the correct surface to become your work plane. So in the inventor wise, after I sketch it, this is the correct one. It should look like this. So I just rotate my view here, okay. In 2D, okay, I delete this one once again. Okay, so rectangle. Similarly, go to rectangle 2 point. The first concern will be to select first corner, right? First corner, you must snap towards the end point. So you see the green dot here. Green dot here, that means already snap to the end point. So click. Okay, now. Okay, then second rectangle also same. Snap to the end point here, and then bring up more or less like this the shape. Okay, the size it doesn't matter lah, because later we are going to provide the dimension constraint to stabilize it. Just ensure that the first corner here snap towards the end point. Okay,